channel. It's Jada Rose, and today you're in the new Devil's Den. This is our new kitchen, and what's that? A subscription box from Mindful Souls. This is a subscription box for cute girls or anybody. If you're into spiritual stuff, self-healing, self-growth, crystals, jewelry, this seems like the box to get. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Ooh, 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 ooh. Scissors. Ah! So we got a little pamphlet. Love surrounds me and everyone around me. This month's lesson, take time to do things that nurture your creativity and bring you childlike joy. So this is what the inside looks like. So we have affirmation for money. New opportunities to increase my income open up for me now. Let's go. Open your eyes, open your mind. A sticker. Very cute. Does it look like my eyeball? Basically. Our first item. A face mask. 24K gold. Deep cleaning with collagen peel-off mask. Moisturizing, firming, and sebum care. We'll have to do this one together. Cute. And look at all these bags. Ooh. I'm a crystal girl. That's beautiful. Citrine warms the core to radiate power, centeredness, confidence, and endurance throughout the body and mind. What's in the next bag? Oh my god! It's a little turtle! It's pretty, black and gray. He's gonna look so cute in here. We should give him a name. Comment down below what my turtle's name should be. Snowflake Obsidian Turtle. Snowflake Obsidian is also known as the Mirror Stone, is believed to reflect evil eye energy back to the sender. Ooh, like karma. Karma turtle. And it's said to break bad luck, while the turtle is a symbol of success, fertility, vitality, and great patience. Where should we set him in this house? I'm gonna put him up here with the roses. Just so we can see his little face. Cutie. Let's see what's next. What's in here? Dun, 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 dun. Oh my goodness. There's purple in it. It's gonna match my outfit. Ooh, wow. Tree of Life necklace. To program the quartz with your intentions, hold it in the palm of your hand and focus on what you want to transform into the crystal. The crystal's memory will download your intentions and help to manifest these goals. First, we'll give it a little lick, and we're gonna hold it. Tree of Life. I love their logo. So cute. Come on, little guy. Oh my. Crystal videographer, Jada Rose. Wow. Definitely looks like it's gonna bring me back to Earth. Bring me to my home planet, Mr. Rock. Have you ever burnt your nail on a candle? Because same. Yikes. Look at the sparkle on that girl. Ooh. Red Aragonite. It helps to create a deeper connection to the planet Earth and release issues from the past and attachments in the present. It's very beautiful, very sparkly. Cute little crystal. We have one more little bag. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh! A little bracelet! Crystals all on her. I wonder if this will fit around my ankle. How cute would that be? How cute. I like this card. I like reading about it, giving a meaning to each thing. It means a lot. Citrine Bracelet. I am getting citrine all over in this bitch. Citrine is the stone of light and happiness. Wearing a citrine bracelet strengthens your will, motivation, and determination. Citrine. I had no idea. How cute! Manifesting all over the place. If you guys want to get these boxes and subscribe to their subscription box, all the links will be down below, along with a discount code. Of course, you know I got you, baby. We are manifesting only great things here. And speaking of great things, I'm gonna build a raised garden. Me and my mom always talk about growing our own food on the property and having our own food source. We wanna have a test garden, getting our hands in the dirt, used to growing our own stuff. It's gonna be exciting. So let's go grow. We're gonna take these puppies apart and make a beautiful little garden. So rusty. Our starter plants are starting. Alright, so this is the lip for the base of our garden. Someone plug it in! Yeah, rookie mistake. I know something's straight when I see it.
Do you?
This would never happen in the kitchen. This is where we're at the moment. Fresh coat of paint and some flowers and she'll be looking fancy. Look at our girl, she's all painted. Now we have to line her with this gardening cloth so we can put the dirt in, it won't escape anywhere, and then we can plant our plants, finally! We went and got cute little flowers for the side, and on the inside will be our fruits and vegetables. Let's go! We got spearmint and basil. They both smell so good. Note to self, this doesn't work, use scissors. Got him! You find a staple? What can we use besides the staple gun? Look how cute. Look how cute this guy is. Is that a trachea? I'm using tacks and a little hammer. Let's hold it down. I'm sweating. It's 11:11. I'm making a wish that this is gonna go great. next is smell it. Ah, cute. Now we have to fill this in with our fruits and vegetables, and these have been growing so successfully. And I got my partner on the job with me. This one is our cucumber. Ah! And they're gonna be 60 inches apart. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I just realized this is 60 inches. And that's longer than the whole garden bed.
You only be able to plant one?
It says 12 inches. Shut up. One plant for the whole thing. No. We also have zucchini and squash. So I'm gonna see how much. 3 to 4 feet apart. We're gonna need to make 10 more flower beds. What are we gonna do? I'm just gonna go for it. Here we go. Cucumber. I can't wait to see your grow. I'm so happy with how our little garden turned out. It's gonna look so cute in our yard. If you made one of these, let me know down below. I've seen a bunch of different designs. All are cool and creative, and I'm really happy with this one. I'm so excited to grow my own food. I hope you guys are inspired to start your own garden. It's just so cool that we can go outside our door and it's like we're at the grocery store. It's gonna take time to grow our food, of course, but it's gonna be well worth it when they start sprouting. All we can do is start right now, get our hands in the dirt. It's so fun and it's so rewarding. I hope you guys love this video. Make sure you stay dirty, my little devils, and I'll see you guys next time. Let's all be cute little gardening women.